condemn. We condemn. We condemn. We condemn.
Sisi hadian bau menteri rangba kejala konrad ke sangma harengkat bau menteri rangba kejala asam himenta beswa sharma kilas dang kejingekran nak benta ban penbe yupo sam juki arsela kiseng balang rilom garu menta ka apatre kilawan bani senong ba selong nak benta ban daweng noi kejingsoi ya ka MOU hapdeng kejala asam ban megalia kepalawan ra ya kejingdu jongki caka kejala megalia kiseng kipelawan penlong ya kejingsong klan mungor akmat umot dur basirni yang uwo kyang nangba ki kentup ya ka Federation of Khasi Jantia and Garo People ka Association for Democracy and Empowerment ka AIWO ya ka lawan man kersan langru da ka jagbom mat kiwe di kisang bhalang na rilum kasi habai keren ba dal seng moment ubade president ka Association for Democracy and Empowerment uloong bak sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance klasoy ka MOU klam da simlang ya jingkwa kipai ba bat ka sorkar kamdon hok ban musliai ki jaka kiputa namar ba hapo Meghalaya ka bahap apo ka khnet ba pra kumta kimla satya ban kamtrai.
I am taking this banner. Don't sell our land without our consent. That is the main reason. So we all know that thus Meghalaya government, I mean MD government, had done the MOU without discussing and without any consent with the local people as well. Our Meghalaya state is 6 scheduled area where the land belongs to the clan and the people, and the government has no authority over the land under the 6 scheduled area. So we all are going to stand together here along with our Khasi Jantia brothers and sisters unitedly. Together we will fight back until our lands are restored. Actually, from they didn't take any consent from the public. They didn't listen about the voice of the people. Government never listen our demands and our voice. They didn't listen.
Nakaliang President ka Federation of Khasi Jantia and Garo People Garo Hills Zone upritam areng kuloong bahadien blasoy ka MOU buon kisnong kiba omdan hakajinge ka japut kilahab no sa asam bat kani ka de ka daw baki persya bat dawa bonweng no sisundon ya kani ka MOU.
However, after the signing of the MOU, these villages have been shown as they belong to Assam. So basically, both the governments, the Assam government and the Meghalaya government, they signed the MOU basing the MOU on the 5 mutually agreed principles. But however, we have felt that they have blatantly overlooked the 5 mutually agreed principles because we can, if we look at the aspects of the 5 mutually agreed principles, we have to look at the historical background, we'll have to look at the ethnicity, we'll have to look at the administrative convenience and geographical continuity and people's willingness. However, all of these 5 principles has been violated by both the governments. So that is why we are unhappy with the decisions that the government has made. Besides, when we asked for the regional committee report upon which this MOU was drafted, the government has not provided us the regional committee report as of yet. That is why we want the government to review the signed MOU. Actually, that is what I am telling you right now. There are particularly 3 villages in Meghalaya, in Malangkona, in the first phase of the signing of the MOU. And these villages are Malang Salbari, Malang Huapara and Malang Joypur. So these villages were never contested before. So they are simply giving it away to Assam. So that is the big contention, and the people does not want to go to Assam. And they have, and the land, even the land belongs to the Himanonglang and the Nongbak Akhung. Malang Huapara belongs to the Nongbak Akhung, and Malang Salbari and Malang Joypur, they belong to the Himanonglang. Yes, we will be submitting our memorandum today, and we have given a copy to a lot of ministers, including the Revenue and Disaster Management Government of Meghalaya. The highlight of the memorandum are the violation of the 5 mutually agreed principles. That is the main foundation of this memorandum.
nakaliang ba arun ki sut nga ubadai noisak ai ba pau ka jala ubadai ru chairman ka jakbom luong ka sorkar MDA ka shukwa banle dakabor ban sedang ya ka jimpai put usam hakawat ka baar ka dei na banta ban yo nong namar balajan ka election
ka jingi ka jonga galong ba kane government ka kwa ba ban le ba dakabor ka kwa ban nyon ba khmat namar balai ba ka election ka laja te ki kwa ba ban pani ba maki ki de ki bala namar nga try kala don ka jing ya kut ka jong ki bo Amit Shah te namar kata kadau ka jing mentoi menta kum bakalong hi ya ka jaka ka puta ka yok mentoi ba ka Assam. Ka Assam has no land mdon jaka jong ka Assam barok kini ka baya keren ka baki ong ke area of dispute ke point of contention kini barok kini ki jaka jong hi ka sorkar kala le ka bakla ka basarkai nomor bakam ya kat kum ki boundaries ba define ya ka hapo ka seksedol ka benengkong kamtam ba define ya ki pot sodong jong United Khasin Hills district te nomor kata kada menta ngai baki ya saka lenti ka ba ima ba nomor kim don syuk kata kejing perkhat yang i ko mo jai benriu ka barit pa kim perkhat syuk ka constitution lani ya ka jing ada constitution hapo ka article aspa sepusau ar baka a yang i lamba ka seksedol bang ni hapanya da kala klet ya kalan transfer ak ka jong kahi bembit ban transfer ka jaka tribal show non tribal pasti dak basam ka dengan non tribal mentaki kwa ban ai ki temdei tang kata kile aklet ki constraint tangah kini khatar area kat bayi kata area ka bobon ka la kelun asam kim ya keren pe ngidu ya ka jaka ka besarkai te menta kum bangaju ong ya kani ka jaka don kam mansio pe ngiwan ya join back India pok instrument of accession ngiwan baka jaka ka puta ka e ka jongi haji saboro gitu ke badon sa asam kira kat kum ka notification kat praspa nya pun riu kum ka administrative convenience ngai menta pade ki katu kalakut mereka asam ka kam jubor baik kini pada kim tre ban sim ya tapi nomor beli ka kam king kli kam shoot jabin tak custom iki la tapi pek ngadu nya puar kapten sama bibi lengdo doktor khonglam ba lapang terter mau iki mau long kila sim ni isu are anda kila sta ki sutu ba ka nomor beli kawai kalong ba ka asam ka sulek bor baik mentah berkali bor anda kala yo ikan ni song ani ka hok jong pikir nang ni kam dei palat sani handai ka som ha ka jaka jong kari khasi ri jantia hagaruru uput sodong ka report arja ka empat define uput jong garu empat don kan notification ka ba sha kini kisu ayo taki song sok nomor beli kitu ki area ka babon ki garu taki ala yawan ki rung ki ami mdon badari sia kata ke isu ba don boundary dispute ni handai ka report ka ba arja ka keren sai kada ki kedau tanggi ayu pai mana kane usi mesta rukhot ka meeting ukhot gitu ki right nang tu ha ka blok tu ngan ong ki don palat ya ka propose nang kisah ki lalung ki kerwang kini ki khasi ki jongi kisah kini ki labang nang pulut kita bro ki jep beriu suni handai ya ki klem kan ki khain betang gini tang ganong tung la biang khapras nong kam deh kita syahmat ke bedang bu namar ka hima jantia ka barim ka pot sodong ka de hadun lepoi Brahmaputra na Brahmaputra ka wansani sya ka wansadu gohati ka makhya ka thau ka yeng ka sem ka jonga ki sem jantia ki bathau ka makhya ka rai marwet ro ka de ka jongi ka de kam dei ka jong ka hima malim ka de ka jong hima jantia tanrai kini kim kwa asynya keren kita ki nomor ki bapli ki karbi ro nganong pi sale be ka jaka jong ki karbi ka bade ka traditional home ki jong ki kade kazirang ki kenjat ki situ ki aina da kani ka jaka ka jongi pensong ki itu sa ko be traditional home nan ki jong karbi kade kani ka ba kani ka bali jong ka lumdik ya ka turo lakne no tiki nyat ki ne ban ya ka roi ban ni banyak kini ban ni ki kini no ya ka jaka ka traditional home nan ka jong ki begini ki borok pi la dia keren ni katakan poisa cengai endrai ngong ki bidang sa ki khasi ki bidang de ki jong ini mar maki bo mo historical perspective ngin pai nang history willingness of the people kamon jong pai ba namar khando ka siap ka de ki jong mdai jong sorkar kani ka administrative convenience kani ka geographical contiguity kini borok sauteli ki lakle ki supai be ka to report arjar khatwai ka bale Dr. Mukul sama bahadin ulap Dr. Mukul baka sitam batkan kita ka hok ba ki ino ka to ki klem keren chu Kini kisim ya tu. Lada kisim ya tu boleh kimpai ya ke arja, boleh kimpai ya prakula. Kini baru ladon teh. Kikot kesal abian sar ngaladon paro. Kimap kini kita hak praspaknya puar kamap badraw pare. Ulah define ni khasi states. Kat kendai sepak kat way, ke notification bagi transfer syuk gijakan. Kakapur kat kendai sepak sampua bagi wanra ke United Khasi and Janji Hills Autonomous District. Itu report lah define dot bro. Henry kimnya kat kum kai. Lada kadai ka jo ki parameters number 1 ki hapait ya kamap baba khat praspa lai pusan ka badro u Dr. B pakem bapen i ya ki pot sodong jong kahima jantia ki haban pedro ya ka pot sodong jong ka nongwa motomor ki haban pedro ya ka pot sodong kani ka banengkong keren ya ka blok 1 blok 2 kadis do moriaro kadai ka wei ka ra jong kahima malim ka bamanta ki kwa banwan no sini tidak ada kajing tho chief minister ro telada ki ong bakinya lagi ni sau parameter ki happen involved ya ka dis council nomor ka dis council ka authority an lat ki authority on the rabasunong ki authority ya ki CM ki daloi ki nokma takadau lada ki ong banya ki happen ketup langi baro ki happen ketup yang ngiru ki batip iki ki happen ketup yang Marcos tayang unong ele jong blok 1 blok 2 uba tip bon ki jingsha kiap kentup ro ya ki seng ki badon ka jings sku kia ya kani ka kap mndai begini syong tambara maki ya le ya kendo himanta beswa nanta saong ba kini mndai kam dai kum hanrai ya ka MOU hi kani ka bagilasan kani ka first phase ka bagilasan kani deban pengkut na mlong tamlong apa ka fact ka bangilai Supreme Court kani ba ki notification ya ki boundaries yang ke United Khasi and Janji Hills deban sim ya kita kum ki basis banyak keren yang put sudah tangkat taswa ngan sa pentip pada FKI ke baja anda ngila file namar ka file ngin file baik namar ka kes kum bangala ya keren namar u council lu jongi setai udah abisek manusing ve baka team ka jong ka baklan ba dai maki ki babun ba le kini ki water dispute ya kini ki interstate dispute kini kita ki sutu ba ya kan te nakaliang kajong ki ngasutu ba ki ong ba ka kes kajong ya khlain ba tang bang impat la banyak thulut namar balai ba hang ni ka sorkar la jong hi ka dei ka bang yele pasal